This is Jonah from Typewriter Minutes. We wanted to let you know that we are selling our Tower of Goodness, our gorgeous 1958 Tower Challenger made by Smith Corona. We did a full video review of this typewriter not long ago, so be sure to check it out on our channel. If you are interested, you can contact us directly or buy it through eBay. We will put a link to the eBay sale in the comments to this video and in the comments to our full video review. Thanks for watching. We will leave you with a few pictures of the gleaming white tower and case.